Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Meow 1 trial starts. What to know about cat Ozempic. OKAVA Pharmaceuticals has started the first ever clinical trial evaluating a weight loss therapy for obese cats using a GLP-1 implant. With around 50 to 61% of cats in the US classified as overweight or obese, there is a growing need for effective treatments beyond diet and exercise. GLP-1 drugs have transformed diabetes and obesity management in humans, and their potential use for pets could signal a new era for animal health. The Meow 1 trial is testing OKAVA's OKAVA 119 subdermal GLP-1 implant, which can provide steady, long-acting release of the GLP-1 agonist exenatide for up to 6 months. The trial aims to enroll up to 50 cats and monitor their weight and health metrics over 3 and 6 months. If successful, OKAVA plans to seek FDA approval of OKAVA 119 between 2027 to 2028, with anticipated costs around $100 per month for pet owners. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.